Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the English Learning Easy podcast, where we help you speak real English slowly, clearly, and confidently. I'm Kate, and in today's episode, we're focusing on parents and caregivers. We'll practice speaking English with children at home. These are simple, useful sentences for daily routines. This episode is filled with short, clear sentences. They are fun and easy to use with your child. Let's make speaking English at home simple and enjoyable. We'll go step by step with real examples and speaking practice. So get comfortable and let's begin with the morning routine. I will speak and you repeat. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Time to get up. Let's brush your teeth. Do you want to have breakfast? What would you like to eat? Here's your cereal. Drink your milk, please. Let's get dressed. Can you put on your socks? Do you need help with your shoes?
Next, let's practice how to speak while getting ready for the day. Time to pack your bag. Do you have your lunchbox? Don't forget your water bottle. Let's comb your hair. Are you ready to go?
Let's put on your jacket. Do you need your hat? Don't forget your backpack. Let's go to the car. Buckle up your seatbelt. Let's practice how to speak at playtime. Do you want to play a game? Let's build a tower with blocks. Can you find the red ball? Let's draw a picture. Do you like to color?
Want to play with your dolls? Let's play hide and seek. Can you count to 10? Do you want to read a book? Let's play outside. Let's practice how to speak at learning time. Can you say the alphabet? Let's count together. What color is this? Do you know the shape? Can you spell your name?
Let's learn a new word. Do you know this animal? What sound does a cow make? Let's sing a song. Can you clap your hands? Now let's practice how to speak at mealtime.
Are you hungry?
Let's wash our hands.
It's time for lunch.
What do you want to eat?
Do you like this sandwich?
Eat your vegetables, please.
Would you like some juice?
Let's clean up the table.
Time for a snack.
Do you want an apple or a banana?
Do you want an apple or a banana?
Now we speak at afternoon fun.
Let's do a puzzle.
Do you want to ride your bike?
Let's go to the park.
Do you want to play on the swings?
Let's go for a walk.
Can you see the birds?
Let's play catch.
Do you want to draw with chalk?
Let's blow bubbles.
Do you want to play tag? Now, evening routine.
Time to come inside.
Let's wash up for dinner.
Do you want to help set the table?
What should we have for dinner?
Do you like this soup? Let's have some dessert.
Can you help clear the dishes?
Time for a bath.
Do you want bubbles in your bath?
Let's put on your pajamas.
Now let's wind up for the day. It's bedtime.
Time to read a bedtime story.
Do you want to pick a book?
Let's snuggle up.
Did you have a good day?
What was your favorite part?
Time to turn off the lights.
Can you say goodnight to everyone?
Do you want a night light?
Sweet dreams.
Good night. Now we'll practice how to give encouragement and comfort to your child.
You did a great job.
I'm proud of you.
You're so smart.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Let's try again.
I love you.
You are very kind.
It's okay to be sad.
You can do it.
Everything will be all right. Now some questions used daily.
How are you feeling today?
What do you want to do?
Do you need help?
Are you having fun?
Can you tell me a story?
What did you learn today?
Do you want to play a game?
Can I have a hug?
What's your favorite toy?
Do you need anything? Thank you for practicing with us. That's it for today's practice. You've just learned 100 simple English sentences for daily use. By using these simple and easy to remember English sentences, you can turn your everyday conversations with your children into fun and engaging learning moments. Whether it's morning routines, playtime, meals, or bedtime, these short phrases help build comfort and confidence in speaking English naturally. You don't need to be an expert in English to start. Just use these small, meaningful sentences consistently. Over time, both you and your child will begin to feel more comfortable expressing thoughts and emotions in English. Speaking English at home becomes not just a practice routine, but a joyful part of your daily life. It's not complicated. It's about making small, simple changes that lead to big results. If you enjoyed this episode and found the sentences helpful, don't forget to follow or subscribe to the English Learning Easy podcast. Share it with other parents or caregivers who want to speak more English at home. And if you'd like more daily speaking practice like this, let us know. We're here to support your journey, one sentence at a gulp. See you again in the next video.